After the instruction of the Mumbai Commissioner of Police, the category-wise divided the traffic in the Mumbai is now implemented today. As you can see here, Mumbai Police is continuously tracking down which category the vehicles are belonging. The red, green and the yellow. The three categories which are defined for Mumbai traffic to be divided.
Issued an order under 144 CRPC putting up some restrictions on the movement of the vehicles. In this order, we are issuing some color code passes to the various categories of the transport vehicles which are moving on the road. The need for this categorized passes has come because during the enforcement of the lockdown, it was noticed that when our police people are checking the vehicles to find if they belong to essential services or not, that is leading to heavy traffic jam behind. And these traffic jams were also affecting the doctors, hospital staff, nurses, and also the ambulance traffic and oxygen cylinder supply and other logistic supplies of the hospital. In view to reduce their getting trapped in the traffic jam, we have come up with this scheme of 3 color coded passes. The 3 passes that we are planning to issue and we will fix up on the vehicles are number 1 red, number 2 green and number 3 yellow. Now the red passes which are being issued are only for doctors, hospital staff, nurses, medical hospital staff, the vehicles which are carrying the medical supplies, oxygen cylinders, ambulances and all the logistics which is required by hospital and medical facilities, all those will be carrying these red passes on their vehicles. Secondly, the green passes. The green passes will be on the vehicles which will be carrying all the food items and articles like vegetables, fruits, dairy products, bakery products and all eatables and drinks. All these will be carried in the vehicles which will be carrying these green passes. Even the home delivery supplies of fruits or vegetables or prepared food, those vendors, whether they are belonging to Zomato or Swiggy or any other home delivery services, they will be also having these green color passes. And the last is yellow color pass. All the services, essential services like electricity, telephone, mobile services, fire brigade, municipal corporations and all these services which are designated as essential services in the order of lockdown of Honorable Chief Secretary, all those services mentioned therein will be covered under these yellow passes. This will also include advocates and builders and architects who have been permitted. Now the question is, where will you get these passes? The answer is very simple. At home you have any craft paper or any plastic of yellow, green or red, to whichever category you belong to, you simply cut a 6 inches diameter circle, put it on your vehicle and put it with the Tisco tape. It is as simple as that. You can make your own pass. In addition, police department also will be providing you free of cost from Monday evening or Tuesday. We have already ordered it for printing and soon you will be getting it. So till then you can use your own pass or you can make your own sticker and put it on your vehicle. We are expecting all the citizens to be responsible and select the proper pass if you are belonging to one of these three categories. Now there will be few people who don't belong to these three categories but will still try to put some category sticker. So for them the warning is, we will be doing sample checking of all these pass vehicles also, and in case we find any misuse of pass in these three categories, we will prosecute that person through legal provisions. So I request to all the public, all the citizens, that please identify that you belong to one of the three categories and put it on your vehicle and come out on the road. Rest other people who don't belong to any of the three categories should not bring their vehicle on road. You are violating the orders of Honorable Chief Secretary of Maharashtra. Please don't violate that. Please don't make the government unnecessarily punish you. You are expected during the lockdown time. The government desires and government expects from the citizens that they should not unnecessarily come out of the houses unless it is emergency situation warranting some activity. Unless it is emergency, please don't come out. Emergency which has been classified in the prohibitory order are all there. So please study that and stay at home. Don't come out. If it is essential service, you are in the category of one of the three categories. You can put that sticker on your car or vehicle or two-wheeler and you can move in the area. If somebody suddenly develops some medical complication, he has to be admitted to the hospital. So he should be taken in the hospital. You put a red sticker on the vehicle, it becomes your ambulance. You are taking a sick person in the vehicle, it becomes your ambulance. You can say, if somebody asks that I have a patient who is going to the hospital, that is an emergency, isn't it? Okay.
Will this be allowed in the cab also? If anyone is taking them to the hospital in a cab?
Yes, why not? Why not? Why not? And cabs are allowed to ply. Only thing is, the person who is traveling in the cab or a public transport, whether he is covered under essential services or not, that needs to be verified. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.